Hyenas. Misunderstood scavengers or fierce hunters. Hyenas are one of the most fascinating yet misunderstood creatures in the animal kingdom. Often portrayed as cowardly scavengers, they are far more complex and intelligent than their reputation suggests. Known for their eerie laughs and strong social bonds, hyenas are a vital part of the ecosystem and are capable of both scavenging and hunting with remarkable efficiency. This is the story of hyenas, a tale of survival, strategy, and resilience in the harsh wilderness of Africa and parts of Asia. Hyena species. The 4 types. There are 4 species of hyenas, each with unique characteristics and habitats. Spotted hyena, crocuta, smaller and shyer striped hyenas, are native to North and East Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia. Brown hyena, Paraena brunea. Found in southern Africa, they are elusive and adapted to arid environments. Aardwolf, Proteus cristata. Unlike other hyenas, aardwolves feed primarily on termites and are nocturnal, solitary creatures. While the spotted hyena is the most well-known, all hyena species play a crucial role in their ecosystems. Physical strength and adaptations. Hyenas are built for survival, with powerful jaws and an exceptional sense of smell. Their jaws are among the strongest in the animal kingdom, capable of crushing bones to access nutrient-rich marrow. This strength allows them to consume almost every part of their prey, making them nature's cleanup crew. Hyenas also have thick necks and strong front legs, giving them a sloped posture that helps them chase prey and carry heavy carcasses. They are incredibly resilient animals, able to survive in harsh environments ranging from savannas to deserts. Social structure. The matriarchal society spotted hyenas in particular are known for their complex social structures. They live in groups called clans, which can consist of up to 80 individuals. Clans are led by a dominant female, making hyenas one of the few matriarchal mammal species. The social hierarchy is strict, with dominant females and their offspring enjoying priority access to food and resources. Male hyenas, on the other hand, rank lower and often disperse to join other clans once they reach adult. The tight-knit structure of hyena clans allows them to cooperate during hunts, defend their territory, and care for young ones. Hunters or scavengers. Hyenas are often labeled as scavengers, but this is only part of their story. While they do scavenge when the opportunity arises, spotted hyenas are also highly skilled hunters. In fact, up to 70% of their diet comes from hunting. Hunting tactics. Hyenas rely on endurance and teamwork to take down prey. Hyenas often target large herbivores like wildebeests, zebras, and antelopes. They are opportunistic hunters, capable of adapting to different prey based on availability. Cooperation. Hyenas work as a team, using their numbers to outmaneuver and exhaust their prey. Endurance. Unlike lions, which rely on short bursts of speed, hyenas can run for long distances, wearing down their target. The kill. Hyenas use their powerful jaws to latch onto their prey, often targeting soft areas like the abdomen or throat. Their ability to hunt and scavenge makes them one of the most successful predators in their ecosystems. Communication. The famous laugh. Hyenas are incredibly vocal animals, using a wide range of sounds to communicate. Their most iconic vocalization is the laugh, a high-pitched giggle that often signals excitement or submission. Other vocalizations include growls, whoops, and yells, each serving a specific purpose. Their calls can travel over long distances, helping clan members locate each other and coordinate hunts. Misunderstood and maligned for centuries, Hyenas have been associated with negative stereotypes and myths. In many cultures, they are seen as cowardly, evil, or symbols of death. These misconceptions are partly due to their scavenging habits and eerie vocalizations. In reality, hyenas are intelligent, resourceful, and play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. By scavenging, they prevent the spread of disease from decomposing carcasses, and their hunting skills help regulate herbivore population. Challenges in the wild. Despite their adaptability, hyenas face numerous threats, including habitat loss. Expansion of human settlements and agriculture has reduced their habitats. Human-wildlife conflict. Hyenas are often killed for preying on livestock, leading to retaliatory killings by farmers. Persecution. Negative perceptions have led to unnecessary culling and persecution of hyenas in many regions. Competition. Hyenas frequently compete with lions, leopards, and other predators for food and territory. Conservation efforts involve raising awareness about their ecological importance and reducing human-wildlife conflicts. Conservation initiatives include community-based programs, educating local communities about coexistence and providing compensation for livestock losses. Protected areas. Establishing national parks and reserves to safeguard hyena populations to inform conservation strategies. The resilient survivors hyenas may not be as glamorous as lions or as elusive as leopards, but they are among the most resilient and resourceful animals in the wild. They are not just scavengers but also skilled hunters, intelligent communicators, and essential members of their ecosystems. By understanding and appreciating the role of hyenas, we can move beyond myths and misconceptions and work toward their conservation. After all, these misunderstood creatures are the unsung heroes of the wilderness, ensuring the balance of life in the animal kingdom.